This is Glowworm Gang here. So today is the last day of summer break and I will be making one last video before I have to go to school tomorrow. So this video is going to be Fisher-Price Groove and Glow BeatBo on low batteries. So it was used to be working right now. Currently now the batteries are going to be dying now. So I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, the lights are flashing. This means that the toy is on low battery. Here's another thing. Toys distort when it's on low batteries. As you can see, the colorful lights are flickering. This means the batteries are dying. Somehow it stops at the middle of the song when it's on low batteries. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because we are almost there to 500 subscribers. So I need 9 more subscribers so I can reach 500. Which is half of 1,000 subscribers.
Sweet! Dance along! Check out my tummy colors on my dummy! Movement in the beat! Boogie down with me! BeatBo! Woohoo!
If you put it to high volume, it'll start to glitch. If I keep, as you can see, the light is flashing like I did to test mode. If you keep pressing the button, it'll keep glitching. Another bad news for Fisher-Price is that they're about to release DJ Groove and Glow. The box says it's Fisher-Price's DJ Groove and Go, but it's supposed to say DJ Groove and Glow. And by the way, here's another message to Fisher-Price. Please bring back BeatBo. There is a lot of sad and angry BeatBo fans. We all want BeatBo back. Somehow it stops at the middle of the song and then goes back to where it started.
I love this song. Count with me. Ready? Oh yeah. Jump. Up. Down. Turn around. Yeah.
Don't know why it keeps stopping at the middle of the song. Probably the batteries are low.
Dance along. Check out my tummy colors. Colors. Boogie down with me. BeatBo. Woohoo! Shake it to the beat. Yeah. BeatBo, do do do. Can your tummy do this? Hey, are you ready to BeatBo boogie? Do the BeatBo boogie, clap, clap, beat.
But somehow BeatBo
The BeatBo boogie, clap, clap, clap.
sings the song BeatBo Boogie. For the BeatBo shake, it was called Shake Your Butt. And it also, the actual lyrics are shake your butt and shake it up. Shake it up for the BeatBo pals and shake your butt for BeatBo.
Count with me.
It sounds pretty strange.
Hit it. 1, 2,
I mean,
3.
Ronald Pillow says it might be a bit strange, but it's actually true.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, you got the beat. Jump, up, down, turn around. Yeah.
The species of BeatBo is a buck. BeatBo stands for beat bug. He's a bug.
Shake, shake it up.
So he's actually a bug, not a robot.
Shake, shake it up. Jump up. Shake, shake it up. Turn around. Shake, shake it up. Stomp your feet. Shake, shake it up. Now wiggle to the beat. Check out my colors on my dummy. Blooming in the feet. Show me what you got now and shake to the beat. Red, green. BeatBo boogie. Do the BeatBo boogie. Clap, clap. BeatBo boogie. Do the BeatBo boogie. I count with me. Ready? Hit it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Shake to the beat. Now let's repeat. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Shake to the. Oh yeah, you
And
get
for
the beat.
Sorry about that. So as I was saying, BeatBo somehow stops at the middle of the song.
Turn around. Yeah. Now wiggle to the beat. Yeah. Shake, shake it up. 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 Jump up. Shake, shake it up. Turn around. Shake, shake it up. Stomp your. Sweet. Dance along. Check out my tummy colors. Colors on my dummy. Blooming in the feet. Show me what you got now and shake to the beat. Red,
For some whatever reason, it stops at the middle of the song.
orange, and rainbow too. Boogie down with me. BeatBo. Woohoo!
From next time when I go to my second grandma's house,
Down, clap your
and when we head to Walmart, I'll be looking for DJ Groove and Glow. For some reason, the box says DJ Groove and Go, but it's more like DJ Groove and Glow because it's based on Fisher Price Groove and Glow BeatBo.
Shake it to the beat. Yeah. Ba-da-ba-ba-beep-bo, do-do-do. Can your tummy do this? BeatBo boogie. Do the BeatBo boogie. Clap, clap. BeatBo boogie. Do the
For right now, it's on high volume,
clap to the beat and move your feet.
and I'm going to show you test mode.
I love this song. Count with me. Ready? Hit it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
This is test mode. I mean, that's not test mode, but
Are you ready to bop to the
there we go. This is test mode. Yeah, it makes a beeping sound and the lights flash into different colors.
BeatBo boogie? I love this song. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Shake to the beat. Oh yeah. Jump. BeatBo boogie. Do the BeatBo boogie. Clap, clap. BeatBo.
For some reason, it stops at the middle of the song.
Clap, clap. Bop to the beat and move.
And I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's on low batteries without the fur on. Now this is what BeatBo looks like when he's without fur.
I love this song.
I don't know if it sounds okay or something. I don't know.
Hey! BeatBo boogie, do the BeatBo boogie, clap, clap. BeatBo boogie, do the BeatBo boogie.
Sorry about the speaker. It's making weird
Look at me.
sounds.
Wiggle your tummy and act real funny.
For some reason, it's actually not on low batteries. It's actually half of the batteries are low. But probably half of BeatBo, he has half of the energy right now. In my opinion, BeatBo needs to come back. In my opinion on BeatBo, I like how BeatBo interacts with babies. He doesn't repeat much songs. Unlike DJ Bouncin' Beats, it actually repeats the same songs over and over and over again. It can get pretty much annoying. So that's the last video of my Fisher-Price Groove and Globe BeatBo. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for 500 subscribers. I just need 9 subscribers so I can reach 500 subscribers. So this is just a little suggestion. So thank you for watching.